Hello, my name is Rowena Anchores Kalimag. I'm 41 years old and single from Philippines. I'm currently working in Hong Kong as a domestic helper for almost 8 years. I working before in United Arab Emirates for 2 years as domestic helper. I do the cleaning, cooking, washing the clothes, and also taking care of pets and kids. I also working experience in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. I do the housework as well as I do the manicure and pedicure in my employer's salon. I can cook Chinese food and Western food. I am kind, hardworking, honest, reliable, caring, patient, and also have respect to elders and other people. I also have a good manners. I prefer to work alone, but if needed, I can also work with other helper as a team. I can take care elderly, kids, or newborn babies. It doesn't matter. Thank you, and you can check my profile on Helpers Library apps.